Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make bulleted list on Google Sites. So first if you want to open Google Sites, after opening it, I'm just going to create a blank site here. So for making bulleted list, here on the right you can see menu options, and here as a section you can see here insert, click on that, and in that section as a first option you can see here text box, click on that. And you can see here blue box here, and for making a bulleted list, here on the top you can see menu options, and here as an option you can see here bulleted list, click on that, and then you can just type whatever you wanted. After typing you can see that you had been added bulleted list on Google Sites. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.